yourself in the store. Cinco de Mayo edition. I already know this is gonna come out so good. I'm telling you, these nachos are gonna be your favorite nachos. And if you don't believe me, then you don't believe me, but you will. Welcome to the real Katherin Rojas channel. I need an intro already. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. I'm gonna take you guys to Wholefoods today, and I'm gonna show you how to make nachos step by step. Not only is it gonna be quick, delicious, but most of all, it's gonna be affordable. Let's go. We're here. Oh, mine like is zoomed in my face. Oh my god, they just remodeled this whole thing. When the hell did they do this? I was literally here yesterday. I love coming to Wholefoods. I just hate when I take my whole paycheck. So I have like a little hair stuck on my lip. Alright, tomatoes, let's go. You guys know how to pick tomatoes. You just pick them and you just drop them in the bag. These don't look like they're ready. Let's go see over there. $2.29 for avocado. Like really? It's a bit too much, no? Like a little bit too much. I don't want to get too many. Doesn't seem like it's ready. We're going to get the onion. You just need one. Hold on, let me put this in there. Which the avocado is like kind of still hard. It sucks. I'm like determined to find a ripe avocado. I need to find one because then the recipe's not gonna come out right. So we need the ripe. Alright, let's go look for the ripe avocado. That's it, always. Do you have any avocados that are ready? Sometimes you guys have like one magical one ready. Oh, thank you. Let's see if they have a magic one because we need this. Especially for $2.29. Cinco de Mayo is tomorrow. I just had a brain fart. I gotta make sure you guys have the perfect recipe. That's very sweet of you. Thank you so much. This one is perfect. Thank you. We found the avocado. Let's move on. We need green onions. I'm like so confused right now because the store literally just remodeled. So I'm just extremely confused where everything is at. What else do we need? Jalapeño. Dude, I had the whole time something in my face. Oh my god. You don't see my face? Cilantro, you just get your little baggie. You know, I'm telling you, this this nacho come out so good. Oof. Wait till you guys taste this. You can't celebrate Cinco de Mayo without this. Where's the baby powder? Without this. I am the avocado juggler. Follow me on all my social medias. The real Katherin Rojas, the avocado juggler. Podcast yoga. No salt added. I love it. It tastes great, and then I just add my own salt. Different kinds, especially when they're canned, they just load all of this salt, and then you're wondering why you're bloated and on the wrong places. So we're gonna have one of these. We're gonna do the organic chia and quinoa tortillas. These are actually really good. I had these before. I already know this is gonna come out so good. I'm telling you, these nachos are gonna be your favorite nachos. And if you don't believe me, then you don't believe me, but you will. Alright, so now we just need the carnita, and then we just need the cheese. Nacho cheese. Beep beep. Sorry. I just learned how to drive this car. Literally the last one. Go look. Literally, it was the last one. That was a close case. A close one. Alright, so now we need the cheese. Of the Mexican blend, but they actually have the organic one for $4.49, the same price. This one's just organic, so I'm gonna take this one. I'm so excited for that. Nachos, nachos, quiero muchos nachos. Ooh, I want some of these. This is great. I need to know these. This is so good. Yeah, they offer free massages here. How is a little. Ow. Oh, I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. My calf is a little tight. You know? People looking at me. They never seen somebody massage himself in the store? Come on. Ooh, right here? Yeah. Oh. So ready to make the best plant-based nachos, and I cannot wait to share this recipe with you guys. So let's go and pay, and I'll take you guys home and show you step by step how to make this recipe. So there you have it, guys. It's $22.72. Having a plant-based diet should not be hard, and most of all, should not be expensive. Oh, sorry. I'm over here having a full-blown conversation and doing it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.